Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry fonts problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and then type clear type and simply space text. Then open adjust clear type text from the control panel. So simply click here to open it. Then we need to check this box. So after that, click on next. Then we need to click the text sample that looks best to you. So this one is the good one. Click on next. Then for me, this is looking good. I will click on next. After that, so I will select this one, then click on next. Then I will choose this one, select next. So we just have finished the tuning the text on your monitor, so click on finish. So this will fix your problem. If not, then we will move to the next step. Simply go to search problem, type in sysdm.cpl, then click here to open it. On this window, we need to just select advanced option, then click on settings. Now we need to check this box, adjust for the best appearance. So click here too, then click on apply and then OK. Now click on OK. After that, we need to open registry editor window. Just go to the search bar, type registry editor, then click here to open it, select S. Now on this window, we need to expand HK local machine. To my bad. Now we need to expand HK current user, then expand control panel, then search for desktop. So here it is, simply select it. On the right side, we need to find out Win 8 dpi scaling. So right click on it and select modify and change the value data as 1, then click on OK. After that, right click here and select new and select devote 32-bit value. Now we need to name it as log pixels. So we need to hit enter now and right click on it, select modify and change the value data as to 78. Click on OK. Now simply we need to restart our system. For that, go here, select it and click on restart. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.